Hello guys, my name is Sivanda Subramaniam. My matrix number is 09DUP1 and F2002. I hope you all fine. Today we all can see it's a rainy day, but we are planned to go to the Malacca for a small trip. In this, what is special in this trip is we are going to the Malacca during this pandemic time. So we all expected. Stay tuned. Okay, now we reached ready to our car, so now we're going to start our journey. So before that, we're going to have a breakfast before we start our journey. Okay, come on. Come, let's having our breakfast at this giant kitchen. Let's go. Ready to our destination, that is Malacca. The first place we're going to see is Kota e Famosa. There is. Okay guys, this is the place that I said. This name is Porta de Santiago. There is 4 main gateways in this Porta de Santiago. Come on, let's see. This is the third gateway and the last gateway. There are 4 main gateways in this Porta de Santiago. Guys, as I said, the Porta de Santiago, it was built in 1511 by the Alfonso de Aduana. The Alfonso de Aduana is the Portuguese invasion of the Malacca. As we see here we can see there are many graven. There are these every sculpture is, we realize that this is the last respect for them. As we see here, there are many graves. The second place they're going to see is Malacca St. Paul Hill. This St. Paul Hill is built by our Malacca kingdom, is by our Sultan Parameswara. he was used this place as the administrative center, and after Malaya independence, this place is also used as an administrative center for Malacca, and now this place is become a heritage place and controlled by our UNESCO. Third place we're going to see is the Christ Church of Malacca. It was built on 1753 by the Dutch when they took the possession of the Malacca from the Portuguese. Now, if we see inside the Christ Church of Malacca, there for 200 years of handmade pews, the Dutch soldiers of equipments, and many things that honor the Dutch soldiers and the local. It already 200 years ready of the build the Christ Church of Malacca. Now it's become a tourist place to remember the Dutch soldiers and to give the respect to them. Okay, the last most awaited place that come here is the Malacca River Cruise. It is located at the middle of the Malacca, and I want to tell about this river cruise. This river cruise can accommodate about 40 people only, and the price ticket for per person is 25 ringgit only. We can book this ticket by our online, but due to this pandemic time, the ticket is limited, and their service also become limited. So then I want to tell, if we come at the night time, we can see the colorful light compared to the daytime. So don't waste your time. If you all come and enjoy, please come to the Malacca River Cruise. If you all come at the night, you can enjoy more enjoyable this river cruise. Okay, now at last we all know we all so hungry. So I come to this place because this Samosa Chicken Rice Bowl is a famous restaurant at this Malacca place. So now we're going to eat the famous food at this shop. Okay, come on. Guys, now we already come to our end of the trip. Today we all see about the historical place at Malacca and also about the heritage place at the Malacca. And there we all see about few places only, but actually have many places to visit at the Malacca. So you all must come to this Malacca to visit all the places. I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, thank you and all the best.